guys, welcome back to my channel. My sister is with me.
Hi.
And it's our first video together here on my YouTube channel.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, we thought it would be fun if we could do a video on how well do we know each other.
It's a challenge.
I have questions about me and she'll have to answer them, and she has questions about her. I have to answer. Okay, so we're gonna start asking the questions. She goes first and then I go, and then we're gonna see how this ends.
And see who wins. Who knows the one better than the other? What is my favorite current song?
Okay, I think I know, because I just heard it in the... No, I didn't. Wait. But that's not fair, because I'm never around when you play it, I think. Oh, it's Sam something? What's his name? Because his name is...
Sing it.
It's with all the guys. He's dancing with them, and then what's his name?
It's Sam Smith.
Sam. I said Sam.
Yeah, but it's Sam Smith.
Oh, whatever. It's Sam Smith.
What's the song?
Okay.
1-0.
What kind of element am I? Earth, water, fire, or air?
Easy. It's fire.
Okay, that was quick.
That was really easy. I know that Aries, because we used to look that up. She's an Aries, and I know that they're always fire, but I don't think you need to know that you're an Aries to know you're fire. She is fire. She's very feisty. She's very passionate.
Yeah, okay.
She's very intense, so you're fire, definitely.
Let's blame it on the sign.
Okay. So 1-1.
1-1. Next question.
How many months was I in Florida for my internship?
6 months.
That's great.
Because I counted every month for her to come back.
It was the longest we've been apart, I think, when I went to my Florida internship. It was in 2010. And I think you came to visit, and it was amazing because we drove around Miami and we saw everything in Florida. But
yeah,
it was.
I was upset, by the way. I was very upset when she left.
I
was so sad, and I was like, are you really gonna do this? But she really wanted to do with this and the adventure. And looking back, of course I understand. It was like the best thing, I think.
Yeah, it was really like, I learned so much in 6 months.
Yeah, but I was like staying behind and just...
We were always like this and still are. So it's 6 months in a lifetime. It sounds like not a lot, but it was really a lot back in the day. So
especially her room was so empty.
We used to live at home, so I just left, and so the one who stays behind, it's the hardest for that.
Yeah.
So I can imagine looking back, but 6 months.
6 months it was. Okay. Okay. What was the name of the movie that I chose for my graduation theme? You played a part because she was the model.
Yeah, I know it was Audrey Hepburn, and it wasn't Breakfast at Tiffany's.
No.
It was Was it my? It starts with my, right?
I think so.
You don't know, sure?
Yes, of course I do. I don't want to help.
Oh shit, I forgot the name. Wait, My Fair Lady.
Yes!
Was it?
Yeah, yes. That's the one.
Oh, I love that.
That was really awesome. I had to choose a
theme
of a movie for my graduation, and I chose her to be my model because look at her. She's beautiful, and she helped me with the dress. We had to make the dress, and I had to make the hairstyle. So the updo. It has to be inspired by My Fair Lady.
Yeah.
And I graduated with 10.
It was 10 out of 10, guys. It was amazing. Yeah, you're great.
It was. I had so much fun with her.
And I also love that I stood next to you when you got the results.
Yeah, we stood next to each other on the stage, and when they announced, okay, Sarah, this is like, I described what you look like and the hair and stuff, and then she said,
it's a A+, guys. Yeah,
that was really cool.
So 2-2.
Okay.
How many followers do I have on Instagram?
I know this one. I think recently I checked yesterday, 31,000.9 or 7.
So which one is it?
Let's see and find out.
Okay, find out. Because honestly, I don't remember.
You're the worst on social media.
I am. I used to be so active on it, but now since it's an excuse. It's just not a priority anymore. I just don't know what to do with it.
31.7.
Is it 7?
Yeah.
31,700. I just don't know what to do with it. I just don't know.
Yeah. I don't know.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Maybe one day I'll be back. more active.
She's very active on my social media.
Yeah.
Like she helps me to, like she takes the picture, she helps me with editing, and here with YouTube as well. She's gonna edit this movie together with me, but with her own, I don't know.
I'm lazy.
No, you're not. I think you're more focused on mine as well.
Yeah, but I used to be focused on yours as well in the beginning, but now I have the less time, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we'll see one day.
We'll get her back. Okay.
You're
my question.
But you didn't win. You said 9 or 7. Oh yeah, you said 7. Yeah, okay. So 3-2.
Let's start with Ale.
3-2.
Okay.
3-2.
Okay, when did I bring Bailey home? Name the month and the year.
Okay, that was, I know, it was in July. The month July, because I was in Japan. I was traveling to Japan with my husband now, who was my fiance back then, with his parents as well. I remember I came back and it was July. What year? It was the year that I got engaged, which was, I should know that one. Awkward.
When did you get engaged?
Wait, 2019, May, 2018 I got married, 2016. July 2016. No?
No, it was August 2016.
Was it August?
Yes.
Oh shit! I went to Japan in July, but I came back in August.
I got him like 4 or 3 days before she came.
Ah,
Trap?
Okay, close. What did I say?
Trap.
What is that?
Crap.
Oh crap. Trap.
It's a trap. It's a trap. Okay.
So, I lost. I'm shit. Okay, how many bones did I break in my entire life?
That's
you should
easy
know.
because I broke them. 2. Twice. No, wait, 1. I broke one and the other one she fell. I did not break her bone, by the way. I was carrying her. Because people were.
But how many bones did I break? I'm not saying you or me. How many bones did I break?
Her arm?
No.
Oh, twice.
Yeah, but how many? Okay, so 1 bone.
What do you mean 1 bone?
How many bones in my body did I break?
Okay. I think twice. I can't remember a leg or anything else for that matter. Did you break a leg? Did you?
I don't know.
No, you never broke a leg, no. She's very safe. She's never clumsy or a tomboy. No. Twice. 1, I did it, and the second time you fell the same spot, so twice.
Yeah, that's true. But the thing is, the question was how many bones? It's 1, but it's okay. I say twice. Let me clarify this. I was with her when we were little, and we were bored. And then you said jump on my back, so I jumped on her shoulders, right? You carried me like this, and then you stood up, and then I fell on my arm, and I broke my arm. And then after it was out of the how do you say hips?
And then 3 months later,
when
she
I
did
recovered,
it again.
I fell on it and I broke exactly the same spot.
Yeah.
So I broke my arm.
That
twice.
was not my fault. And by the way, I was a very fun sister. I carried her around, playing with her, and then I let go of the legs. She felt and she was trying to feel the ground.
That was pretty stupid, actually.
Her arm, I'm not lying, looked like this.
Yeah, that's crazy shit.
It was very scary.
Wild times.
Okay.
Wow.
Ooh, I'm ahead.
You are ahead.
Okay.
I missed one.
Okay.
Name one of my celebrity crush.
One?
One of mine, so it's easy.
Oh, okay. Johnny Depp. Wait, you have lipstick on your teeth.
Oh,
it's very. Yeah. No. Okay. Yeah. How come? Yeah. Okay. Johnny Depp.
but I mean, who is it? Isn't?
Easy.
And I also have to add Keanu Reeves because I've been watching.
And not now. The old Keanu Reeves.
Now.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
You know when I love
No.
John Wick.
He's okay.
I love him in John Wick.
But when I saw him in Speed, the first time I saw
of course, but that was like a different Keanu Reeves.
God. What was my first hairstyle tutorial?
I know that one. It was a braid.
What?
What do you mean what?
What did it look like? It was a braid and then?
It was a braid that you twisted into a bun.
Almost.
It is. Or am I saying it wrong? Because I know which one it is. I can see
Just
it right now.
show it. Like
you did a braid like this. Oh no, yes. Was it a braid? Yes, it was a braid and then you twisted it like this into a bun. Or was that the second one?
Let's see to find out. Sister.
Are you going back?
No, listen. It was a braid, but I tucked it in.
That's what
never.
I mean.
No, you said you made a bun out of it.
I don't think that counts.
What? It was the first tutorial ever, the most important
one. What do you guys
one.
think?
Everything started.
I said a braid.
You said a braid, but it could be two braids, one braid.
Yes, it was a braid, and then you tucked it in, and then you pinned it.
It was no bun.
How did I say bun?
But you said it. What you made a bun out of it. You even did this. I mean, everything is recording. We have evidence.
Yes, it was a braid, and then you twisted it like this into a bun.
Almost.
2 points back. Okay, I'm gonna give you a big one. Who is my favorite Friends character? Think very closely. Think.
I think I know that one. Your favorite. And Joey.
Yeah.
It's Joey.
Yeah, it is Joey.
Because I was thinking of all of them, and you're always like, when he says something, she's always like, oh my god, he's so funny.
I love him.
He's so funny. Oh,
I know,
look,
which
the sun
is
is shining.
yours.
The light's getting better. Our makeup is looking better right now. What was my first job and where?
Your first job was at a restaurant in Zwijndrecht, where we used to live, and you were a waitress. Do you want me to tell everything?
Which restaurant and where was it? The location?
It was 2 locations. Veerplein at the water.
It was near Central Station. There was this Italian. I worked there. I got in because of my friend. She was like, I told her I was looking for a job, and she got me in. That was the first one, and then I moved to the other Italian restaurant. I always worked at Italian restaurant. That's why I married an Italian.
Yes, that's it.
It was my calling. Points behind. You're bad at
I
this.
am. My questions are too easy. When I will retire, what do I always say I want to do?
Oh, that's so easy.
See, I have easy questions.
I don't care. She wants to open her own flower shop.
I do.
And be a florist.
I do. Isn't that weird?
No, that's not weird. That's beautiful.
I can see myself doing it, actually.
It's so beautiful. I think it's your job.
Yeah.
Yeah. But who knows? Let's pray we will get old and strong enough to
do that, actually,
to get to the retirement.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, good. So easy questions. Give me one easy.
I'm giving you.
I forgot that one.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm gonna give you an easy one. What was my favorite childhood movie back in Iraq? And I always cry when I hear the song.
What movie?
Childhood, like cartoons, movie. I don't care. Like there was one.
But is it a cartoon or like?
It was a cartoon.
Cartoon.
Yeah.
Bumbo?
No. You lost again.
I did. No, wait, the bee.
No.
Is it?
No. Oh my god.
Niels.
Yeah. It was so good. But you're too late.
But you know why I named all 3? Because I really think you like them as well.
No, but Nielsen was my all-time favorite. The other ones were fine. But
yeah, but I guessed it actually. That's fine. I think that's a point. I guessed it. That's fine.
I'll give you one. It's okay. You can have this one.
That's nice. What sport did I play in elementary school? Elementary school is basketball.
Oh, okay. Soccer.
I did. I joined the soccer team. I was so bad. I think my dad was really happy about it because he was like, yes, a sportive one in the family, but I sucked. But it was fun though. I liked it.
Yeah.
I like to play with people.
She had like the entire outfit.
Yeah, it was like a proper soccer team.
Yeah. And it was so much fun.
It was fun.
It was fun, but she sucked at it. I was good though. I did not join the soccer, but I was good.
How do you know?
Because I played it in Iraq when I was a kid.
That was fun.
It's okay. You can have this
You
one.
are.
What's my favorite meal?
Oh, that's so hard. I'm gonna lose. You know, I think it's... I'm gonna... Oh my god. It's dolma.
Yes, that's right. I even use the hashtag.
Hashtag pasta dolma with Faye. Yeah, it's easy.
It's my favorite.
But
it's the best. It's like I can eat everything.
Yeah.
But the moment I see a plate of dolma, I will drop everything. I will cancel all my appointment. I will reschedule everything. I would go for the dolma. Every second of the day. Morning, breakfast, I don't care. I will have dolma. Let's call mom. She needs to make. I can feel the water in my mouth. Here you go.
How many nicknames do I have?
I think 3.
Name them.
Tute, Gaddu, Shenouda.
That's true. Well done.
You're
But
welcome.
of course you know them.
All these are, by the way, very Iraqi. Like,
Yes.
Iraqis like to
Especially
give each other...
Shenouda.
Yeah, it's like they like to give each other nicknames that are not even related. Like, for example, her name is Ghade, in Iraqi pronounced
Yes.
Ghade. Gaddu
That makes sense.
makes sense. But what about Tute?
I don't know how they... I have no idea.
Shenouda.
No idea. And I don't even know who started that because it sounds weird. It sounds like cold.
What was the name of my favorite Barbie?
Cassandra.
No, that's yours.
Again?
Manuela.
Manuela. That's
It's
fine.
okay. It's okay. What's going
I
on?
forgot.
That's
You know the thing is?
You know what? I thought this video will show how much we look alike. We know so much.
We do look
She
like
is
guys. You know
failing
why?
bad.
You
I
know
know
why?
everything about you.
Okay, this is a really hard one. This one's really funny. Should I say it?
Yeah, go for it.
If I was a Haiwan.
I'm sorry, I still have this awful cough because I had a cold. Yeah.
If I was a Haiwan,
Yeah.
which one would I be?
For everyone who wants to know what Haiwan means, it means animal in Arabic, but not in a...
It's not in a fun way.
Sometimes
it's like
they use it to swear at someone, like, you Haiwan, you animal. No,
Yes.
it makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense. Okay.
No, but I always said if I was a Haiwan, I would be that one. A panther, black
No,
one.
a panther? You know what a panther is?
The black one.
Yeah,
Panther.
that runs help.
Yeah,
So
really
you
quick.
want to be this one?
Yes.
I want to be a panda. Have you
Really?
seen those having
So
fun?
lazy. You would be a great panda, actually.
I will.
They're so cute.
You're not.
Oh! No, I don't want to be a Frenchie, actually. It's sad. I would be troubled nose breathing to my nose.
Yeah, but he has a good life, mainly, by the way.
Yeah, he has the
Everyone
best
is-
life. If I would be a Frenchie, I would like to be your Haiwan.
I take care of the best Haiwanat in the world.
Yes, you do. She's the best, I swear. You
Who's
are.
my baby?
I would be very glad to be your dog.
You can be my dog. Okay,
So-
I think
The conclusion is,
I know so much about you.
I
Every
think
single detail.
that's true, but I know exactly more about the same as you, but I just mix things up and I sometimes forget something. Doesn't mean you know me better than I do.
It's okay. It's okay. We already know who won this one.
You won. Yeah, you won. Yeah.
So I hope you guys have enjoyed the fact that I won this challenge. I know so much more about you. We look
Yeah.
alike.
We
But-
do.
But I know more.
Yeah.
I remember more because I treasure every memory with her. She is my best friend. She knows
She's
that.
so bossy. Can you hear the tone? She's so bossy, feisty. Fire!
Thank you guys so much for taking your time to be here with us to listen to our crap.
Stories.
And thank you for the continuous love and support here and on other platforms, social medias. We love you guys and we hope to see you next time. Give this tutorial a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And until next time.
See you next time.
Bye,
Have a good day.
guys.
Bye. No.
We need to make a picture for the cover as well.
Oh yeah, I know. I know a good one. Can I say?
No.
Ik haal jouw boxen.
Are you serious?
I am. That's weird.
That's
not
booby
gonna be
trap.
in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's weird.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This way. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And then which channel you're putting this way? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's not like this. It's not
You
like
always do that, right?
yeah, like this, not this. Okay.
I know.
1, 2, 3. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Oh, I was already like this.
No. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are doing it very obvious. It's like a very. I always like to do this because it's like I wanna, you know.
I'm sorry.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
It sounds like.
Gangnam style. عليك اسأل عليك.
Oh, so but I like اللون.
Okay.
هذا اللون ما
يلا،
تسميه
okay,
مثلا.
okay.
هذا اللون عليك يجنن يشبه لون عيونك.
Ha.